In the last video, I talked about how to delete an element of a list using the del operation here. One more thing that I would like to mention is actually alternative to this deleting the element of a list by using the index. Actually, we can remove the element by using the uh, name of the element. Okay, so for example, here you can see mylist.remove. So we are using the remove method from mylist, and I can remove this hello, which is the first string in our list. Okay, and then we can print it out. So we can actually remove this part for the moment and see this. So after we remove this hello, then we have two more elements left, okay, in our list. So another thing we can do is actually we can define a function and we can pass the list as an input to a user-defined function as well. Okay, so suppose I define this average function. So I'm trying to take the average of my of the elements in my list. So assuming that my list contains numbers only, not strings, then we just sum. So you can see that we are using the built-in function sum. So this sum will work properly as long as all the elements in my list are numbers, okay? But if you have some strings, then it will give you an error. And then I divide it by the number of elements to calculate the average, and then that's going to be returned to the user. So suppose I have a list of numbers like this one, and I can call the function average, input this my list, and the average will return to this x, and I just can print my x. Okay, so if you run this, you can see the average for this list of numbers is 19.9.